Welcome back to my channel, guys. So if you want to see how I got this flawless skin, make sure to continue watching. First, I'm going to be taking my Kiss New York Pro Touch Smoothing Primer. Number one, it is super affordable and it works. So I just spread it evenly across the face and you can automatically feel it smoothing over your fine lines, your texture, your pores, all of that. So this is like been my favorite go-to so far as of 2018. Now going in with my Cozette Full Coverage Stick Foundation in G5. I'm just going to get her ready to blend her out. And take this nose ring out because I don't need anything in that. And we're ready, we're blended. Now I'm going to be using my Amazing Cosmetics concealer. This is in the shade Medium Golden. And this stuff, you don't need a whole lot. It's just high on the coverage. Girl, that was probably too much, but we'll make it work. Move it around in different places is cool. Yes, I put on way too much concealer, but I wanted to show you guys how you fix that. So you just blend it out, spread it across all the places that you would normally highlight, and then you take your foundation shade and go on around that blend and then blend the edges together. That way everything looks more seamless, doesn't look as stark, and so much. Actually, I'm going to take it on the back of my hand so it can warm up the product. So after letting it sit to warm up on the back of your hand, I like to pounce my beauty blender sponge, whatever sponge that you have, over it and just pat it on the skin. So that way it looks more natural. You don't have those harsh lines and everything looks blended out together. And it's so much easier than putting those, you know, crazy lines on your face. So now I'll be setting the face with my Sacha Buttercup in Buttercup Light. Just be sure to set all of your face so you can move on to the next step. Now with my Palladio matte bronzer that I'll be lightly contouring with around the perimeter of my face. And this brush isn't a dense brush. It's very fluffy, loosely packed, if you understand that. Here is my Becca bronzer that I'll be using as a blush because it comes off as a red tone brownish shade with gold sparkle, which the gold sparkle doesn't really hold, so it flakes off. But it's a gorgeous shade for blush. I will use this daily. Now with my Pure Glow Quick Portables Glow Palette, I'll be using these two shades right here, mixing them together because, girl, I just can't be happy with one, you know, gotta be extra. And this is my MAC fan brush. I forget the number, but I will let you know which one it is down below in the description. Highlight the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, your cupid's bow, the sides of your forehead, because this is a natural, dewy, glowy makeup look. Carmex need to sponsor me because I go through these like no other, and no other chapstick helps me at all. At all. This is the only thing that doesn't dry me out. Especially now that it's dry, my lips be going through it. Nothing like a fresh, new Carmex. Whoop, there we go. Well, that's what the palette looks like. Popular and Adobe. This one and this one mixed together. We're pretty natural, but look at that pigment, girl. gonna even it out over here because I picked up a whole lot. And usually when I do my makeup, I have a mirror here and I look down because I have hooded lids. So if I look down, I can see where my crease will be without the folding. So I just make sure I pack it down in the crease and then blend out this edges. And bam, girl, you're blended. Side. Girl, stick to the plan. You're a drag queen. But it's okay because I love drag queens. I was born a drag queen in one of my past lives. Yes. I live for the drama in my makeup only. Thank you. I'm Act 233. And it's from one of their collections. I can't even remember. I worked this collection, but I forget. But it has double sides. So there's your dual fiber hair, your natural hair. So you get to pick creams, liquids, powders, whatever you want. This one's best for powder. And I like this brush because it's smaller than a 239. So when you pack the color down, good intensity. So you just pat it right on and you're ready to go. My camera died per usual. So be sure to check out the description below. There's so many different things that you can find there. How to link up with me, where to find all the products that I love so much. There's links. Check them out. But until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with the entire world. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.